You're eating healthy, sweating in the gym, and stepping on the scale every morning, but nothing's changing. Frustrating, right? Well, don't worry, you're not alone. Most people trying to lose weight are making the same 3 mistakes that secretly slow down fat loss. And the third one, it's something you'd never expect. Mistake number 1, eating too little. Now, this might sound crazy, but one of the biggest reasons you're not losing weight is because you're eating too little. Yes, you heard that right. People often think that starving themselves will help them drop pounds faster, but it actually does the opposite. When you don't eat enough, your body senses a shortage of energy and switches to survival mode. It slows down your metabolism to conserve fat and starts burning muscle instead of fat. That means fewer calories burned, low energy levels, and a whole lot of frustration. So what's the fix? Instead of skipping meals or eating tiny portions, focus on eating smarter. Fill your plate with whole, nutrient-dense foods like lean proteins, healthy fats, and fiber-rich carbs. These keep your metabolism active and help you burn fat without feeling deprived. Mistake number 2, overdoing cardio and ignoring strength training. Are you spending hours on the treadmill but avoiding the weights? Big mistake. Cardio burns calories, yes, but too much cardio can actually work against you. It can lead to muscle loss, which slows down your metabolism over time. Plus, if you don't have enough muscle, your body won't burn as many calories, even when you're resting. Now, here's the game changer: strength training. Lifting weights helps you build lean muscle, and muscle burns more calories than fat. This means that even when you're sleeping, your body will keep burning calories at a higher rate. If you want long-term fat loss, combine both cardio and strength training for the best results. And no, lifting weights won't make you bulky. That's just a myth. Mistake number 3, ignoring sleep and stress. Alright, here's the mistake no one talks about. Bad sleep and stress are ruining your weight loss. You can have the perfect diet and exercise routine, but if you're not sleeping enough, your body will struggle to burn fat. Why? Because when you're sleep deprived, your body produces more cortisol, the stress hormone that triggers hunger, slows down metabolism, and increases belly fat storage. Ever notice that after a bad night's sleep, you crave sugary or salty junk food? That's cortisol working against you. And stress makes it even worse. When you're stressed, your body holds onto fat as a defense mechanism. So if you're serious about losing weight, make sleep and stress management a priority. Aim for at least 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep and try activities like meditation, deep breathing, or even just a short walk to keep stress levels low. Bonus mistake, relying on fad diets. Quick question, have you ever tried a fad diet? Keto, juice cleanses, or no-carb diets? These might work in the short term, but they're impossible to maintain. The moment you stop, the weight comes right back. Instead of following extreme diets, build sustainable habits. Eat whole foods, stay active, and be consistent. That's how real weight loss happens. So, which of these mistakes have you been making? Let me know in the comments. And if this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more life-changing health tips. Stay consistent, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.